Hello there. So today I want to show you how to create a Lightbox in GroovePages. So what are we trying to do actually? So we are trying to have in our website the behavior of when you click on an image, you see the image bigger with the title here, for example, and you can navigate between the image in the series of images that you have on your web page. But you see that the background of the image is kind of grayed out. So you have a focus on the image. So this is what we want to accomplish. Actually, we don't have this in GroovePages for now. What we have, it's kind of, this is a carousel of image, so you can work around, but it's not in a Lightbox situation. So in order to arrive to this, what we will do, it's to, so what we need a Lightbox library. So we will use GLightBox. Actually, it's made in pure JavaScript, so we don't have a jQuery required or other library. It's a single library that is there. It supports mobile, image, video, inline content, and iframe. Actually, the thing that this video will describe today, it's actually the handle of the image. Basically, since it's a bit tricky to probably do the other one, but we may do it. If you're interested to have other things, let me know in the comment below and I will show you how to do it with video or other scenario. So how to do it in 5 steps. First, you add your image. It could be with a gallery from the blocks, design blocks, or you can do it manually. You will define an alt attribute on your image that will be used as a title in the Lightbox. You define the URL link on the image. You can use a DS, a dash, hashtag, or anything else actually, because this will be overwritten by the code. You add a custom style to your image, so we will add a GLight tag, you'll see a bit later. And we add the activation code that I will also show you later. So let's do it. So if we look here at the steps, so the step that we look in, so add your image, we will do this. Define an alt tag, define the URL. This is the code that we will use to define the image actually. So this is really to be able to find the image when we play with the code that is here actually. So if we do this actually in, for example, this page, I will start by adding a block gallery. I will take this one here. I will then move it down. So if I came here, go up, and use this to move the block down to have it more centered in the page. So we will replace the 4 first image. So what we have to do for each image, we'll do the first one. So it's to go in configure, choose the image that you want, select. Then you will add the title of the image, so Groove Page Blue. Here we'll select URL and add the H tag. As I said, actually, we do this because we want to be able to update it. You can put whatever you want in here. The other things that we have to do is to custom attribute on the image to add the GLightBox class here. And then we are good to go actually. So you can do the other styling that you want, but this finish the configuration of that image. So we will do that for the 3 other images. So we made the 4th image here. We define on each image the alt, the link, and the custom style. Sometime you see here I define this style, but sometimes it's not defined. So if you don't see one of the image in the Lightbox, actually it's possible that it didn't save actually the GLightBox class that you put here. So just look at this for troubleshooting. Also in the title here, if no title is there, actually it will not insert anything. You can in this plugin actually do a title and a description. So if you're interested, leave me a comment below and I may be able to do some configuration to say that this is the title and pipe, this is the description, so we can have something more evolved. So this is like that. So we may have an update if you want to have a pipe description. So the next step actually we have to do, we did add our image, add the URL, the custom CSS. We need to add the head link. So in order to do this, we will first, so in this section, we need to add this in the head section. So we will go do this. You go into page, edit setting. And here in the head section, we will add the 2 line of codes like that. And the final step actually is to include in body button is to add this code here actually. This code here. So we'll go back to here and we will add here like that. We hit save or the checkbox here, and then we will we'll see this. So you see here the first image, image 1, but it will change. So we need to publish here. So it's published. We will go back to the page. We hit refresh, and you see GroovePage blue. So the name changed. So this is the new page version. An image without a title, image without a title. You see we're missing actually 1 image. I have only 3 images. So what I will do, I'll come here. Look at this image. I have an attribute here. Look at this image, and this image. So you see this image don't have the attribute. So I will have to add it. Sometimes it doesn't save it, so it's a strange behavior. So I will come here. You see it here. Since I cannot save, I will just do a space here. So it let me save. And I will come back here to publish again. It's published. Come back here to refresh the page. And blue, no title, Groove 4. So my new image appear. So for that, it's cool. So this is working. So this is how you can have a Lightbox actually in GroovePages. If you like this video and you find it valuable and it helps you, give it a thumbs up. If you want to know more about these kind of video, I have other video on my channel. Subscribe to the channel, look at other hacks that I have done. If you need something, drop a comment below and I will try to help you in my best. So I hope you enjoy it. Have a great day. Bye bye.